Okay. Teresa has something to say. She's going to perform. What the fuck? Sing the song. Come on.
When you had that special human, your heart gives a beat, and you're so crazy in love, you're telling everybody that is your life, your soul, your baby boy, but you just don't know what he's doing to you. In this world, it makes you wanna say, fuck you, bitch. I don't need your shit. I'm gonna live my life to the fullest, and I have no regrets.
Oh my god. Oh my god, you are so crazy.
Fuck you, bitch. I don't need your shit. I'm gonna smoke
weed until I get high. Until I get high.
Until I get high. No, it's not. Wait, hold on.
Okay, repeat. I'm gonna smoke weed.
Okay. I'm gonna smoke weed, feel high like it's legit. And down the road, your relationship. Realize that all the things he said to you. What?
Do it again. Get wild, girl.
Was his life. And now you leave heart broken and I don't know what to do. Cause the guy something.
Oh my god.
something. It makes me wanna say, go with me.
Fuck you, bitch.
No, sing. It makes me wanna say, fuck you, bitch. I don't need your shit. I'm gonna live my life to the fullest and I have no regrets. I'm scared.
Oh my god.
I'm scared. Come on, you right now. Do you understand what is coming out of my mouth?
Oh my god.
Fuck.
Where'd you get that?
Where what?